guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video I will teach you how to turn on your developer option. Yes, developer option has a lot of work to do. It helps your game go faster, it helps you to optimize your battery usage, and it helps you to in fact make your phone more smart. Before we go ahead on how to turn on this video, I would like you to first of all press on the red subscription button and give me a thumb up if you like this video. Also press on the bell to get notification so that whenever I post videos like this or other things like update on how to make money online and how to make your device go faster and many more things, you get the notification. So let's forge ahead. So you go to your phone settings. So normally where the developer option usually is at the settings as a system. So once you go on there, check it and you do not see it, you can also search for it with your keyboard. Let's say developer option. As you can see, the thing have not shown anything because I don't have the developer option. So to put this thing, all you have to do is just to go to your phone, that place you have that explains a lot of things about your phone. Just go there. Inside there you see many more things about your phone. You see your version, your e-warrant card, your device name, your model, your Android version, your custom version, your OS version depending on the phone you are using, builder number, uptime, phone number, all these things, SIM status, IMEI number, IP address, and many more things that you will see here. So the way you are going to help do this thing is just to press on the builder number. Just press it like 7 times. On some phone it's mostly 5 times, but let's say 7 times till it shows your pattern. So let's go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So once you press it, draw your pattern or pin depending on your passkey. So you will see this notification here. So go back, then you just have to go back to your system. As you can see, you see the developer option here. So once you click that developer option, you see a lot of things, many more things here. Many more things. You just have to check around, how to make your phone smarter, how to make your phone look like a desktop one that will help you to access most desktop sites and all many things. So as you are going through your listing, if you like me to do a video on any of these things or any of the uses of the developer option, you can just write them on the comment so that I will see what I can do about it. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe, please.